Tanya with Herbal Soul with a small garden bed update. Here we have some broccoli and bok choy along with some garlic that's sprouting up all together in one bed. Hopefully all goes well. I believe that is bok choy that's trying to sprout up along with some lettuce. And there are beets. The beets are doing pretty well. We do have some onion skins in different areas of the garden bed to ward off pests. There's our onions, or Walla Walla onions. And there goes our celery sprouts. More garlic. There's our pepper tree that I'm nursing. It's dormant right now. And there is our okra. Hopefully all goes well with that baby. And there's more garlic that I planted around in various parts of the bed. Garlic is one of the things we love so much. There's dandelion. I got some organic non-GMO seeds, and we love dandelion. It's very healthy. I know it's a weed, but it's very, very powerful, nourishing, and it cures so many things. There's mustard greens, curly mustard greens. I planted them in 3 pots. Yep. And we have, there's our basil 1 and basil 2. Our chickens love basil, so we pick them a lot for the chickens. And here's another presentation of our garlic that hopefully all goes well with our garlic that I planted. Here's our apricot tree. There's a long story behind that. I may do a video depending on how it does. Praying and hoping for the best for the apricots. Here we have our soursop. Received some seeds from a friend and planted them. So hopefully this is not a weed. It's actual seedling of a soursop. Hoping all goes well with that, and hoping for the best. Let's see. It's sun. The sun. It's really tricky right now with the sun and shade, so it demands a certain type. So there's our garden bed. Here we have a spearmint tree. This was, it fell off from my spearmint tree and I just planted it. It's going along. Here's a nice gift we got from one of our neighbors, rosemary. And here we have oregano that has been picked on over and over for the chickens. So hopefully that some more will spring back. There's our beautiful lemon tree. And it's less than a year old. It's doing really, really well. Here's more garlic that we got from our neighbor, seedlings. I'm going to plant those in individual pots. So looking forward to that.